In the pharmaceutical, chemical, and food industry, the handling of solids is an essential part of a lot of manufacturing and process steps. To enable dust and contamination-free handling of the individual process steps, the Hecht ProClean conveyor, in short PCC, is used. The ProClean conveyor is a pneumatic vacuum conveyor for safe and contained transport of powders and granules. It consists of a product inlet valve and a product outlet valve, which permit the product to get into or out of the separator vessel of the PCC. The heart of the ProClean conveyor is its filter head. With an innovative and powerful ring filter system for separating the product gas mixture. A vacuum pump sucks the product into the ProClean conveyor by means of a vacuum. Via the air or nitrogen connection, the ring filter can subsequently be cleaned again. The PCC is intended in particular for feeding containers, reactors, mixers, dryers, pressure vessels, and filling stations. For this purpose, the product is sucked via a hose system from an FIBC discharge station, a SEC discharge station, a mixer, or similar. Depending on the product used or the performance of the vacuum pump set, different conveying modes are possible, be it dilute phase conveying or, as shown here, safe and gentle plug conveying. At first, the vacuum valve and the product inlet valve open. A vacuum is produced in the system, causing the product to be conveyed into the separator vessel of the ProClean conveyor until it is full. Fine particles are deposited at the ring filter. If the product is to be discharged under oxygen-free conditions, the residual air will be evacuated after the product inlet valve has been closed by opening the cleaning valve and the product outlet valve. The ProClean conveyor is emptied, the ring filter cleaned, and the product fed to the next process step. A new conveying cycle may start now. When charging a vessel in an explosive or critical atmosphere, cleaning is also possible with nitrogen. Generally, products with a minimum ignition energy greater than 1 millijoule can be handled without problems. If the value is below, the product data must be checked in greater detail and, if necessary, the product must be conveyed under inert conditions.